Few advanced f2l tricks for corner in place and edge in top layer. Let's get started. So this is our first case in which this corner piece is placed here correctly and this edge piece matches with this center, not this and this one. So what you will do is you have to do a bit rotation before starting. You have to rotate it like this. Take this edge piece there, do a U prime move, bring this corner piece up, do a U move, pair them up and then simply insert them, and it's done. Next case is just opposite of previous one. In this edge piece connects here instead of left, so we'll put it like this here, move this corner piece up, rotate like this, pair it up and then simply insert. Now for the next case, the corner piece is twisted with the Y facing towards us and this edge piece matches with this center right side one. So you will do a reverse sexy 2 times like this, or a slow motion of this. Done. Now this case just opposite of the previous one. The corner piece now twisted like this, in which white face is towards the right direction and this edge piece matches with this as before. Now you will do sexy moves, simple sexy moves. RU, R prime, U prime, RU, R. And this is done. Now this case is a bit tricky case in which white sticker face towards us and this doesn't match here. So you might thinking to do a reverse sexy move, but it won't pair up correctly. So you have to keep it here matching with this, and you will do a sledgehammer. In case you don't know a sledgehammer, it's R prime F R F prime. So you will do a sledgehammer which pairs them up. Now you can insert them directly like this. Now the last case in which corner is in place correctly and the edge piece is also in its place, but it's wrongly placed. This is twisted. This case generally have long algorithms. So what you will do is take out this and separate using RU prime R prime. Now put this corner piece in its place with white face facing this here, and now bring this edge piece here and join them and just place them. It's a finger friendly but a bit of rotation because that was a bad edge piece. So this was all the cases. We'll be back with more cases in the next videos. Goodbye, take care.